Major Ripple update. Judge ruling may have ended the Ripple versus SEC case. Hearing result. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss important news about Ripple versus SEC case. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified when we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back into the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
CBDCs are up on the horizon and could launch any time now. But where is the catalyst to collapse the current financial system? That's definitely the blackouts and the cyber attacks. Now we have yet another interesting tweet here from @Ripple that says, announcing our newest on-demand liquidity corridor in, drumroll please, Japan. In fact, if we look at this article posted on financefeeds.com, we can see that Ripple has announced the blockchain company's first on-demand liquidity (ODL) service implementation in Japan, thus setting the stage to drive more adoption of crypto-enabled services in the Asia Pacific. By leveraging the digital asset XRP to eliminate pre-funding, the two companies can also free up capital and accelerate the expansion of their own payments businesses. SBI Remit, the largest money transfer provider in Japan and a subsidiary of Ripple shareholder SBI Holdings, has gone live with Ripple ODL as part of a project for remittance payments from Japan to the Philippines. The firm has teamed up with mobile payment services Coins.ph and digital asset exchange platform SBI VC Trade to provide faster, more affordable remittance options for customers. The partnership addresses the high demand for affordable remittance services for the Filipino diaspora, one of the largest in the world. Many migrants look to send money home to support family members, and the flow from Japan to the Philippines has grown to 1.8 billion per year. Japan, 1050%, has one of the highest remittance costs in the world, almost twice as much as the average of all the G8 countries at 592%, said Ripple, who helps remittance services to leverage the digital asset XRP to eliminating pre-funding, thus freeing up capital to accelerate their own expansion. Nobuo Ando, representative director of SBI Remit, said, "We see tremendous potential in leveraging blockchain technology to transform not only the way payment transactions are made, but in how we manage our business by unlocking trapped capital." The launch of ODL in Japan is just the start, and we look forward to continuing to push the next frontier of financial innovation beyond real-time payments in just the Philippines, but to other parts of the region as well. Ripple and SBI Holdings have established a joint venture, SBI Ripple Asia, to introduce XRP-powered remittance services across the region, having recently launched the product in Cambodia and Vietnam. In the meantime, the SEC versus Ripple case. The Ripple lawsuit has had a major development. The deposition of ex-SEC Director of Corporation Finance, William Hinman. Despite the public interest being one of the reasons why Judge Sarah Netburn allowed for the sworn testimony of the former high-ranking government official, the deposition was not a public hearing. His statements will likely be used in Ripple's motion for summary judgment on fair notice. Far from that, we have another tweet from @BGarlinghouse, where he tweeted saying, "Hugely excited about our newest ODL corridor. Japan is one of our largest markets. With regulatory clarity and innovative partners like SBI, the region is ready for a crypto-enabled future." I bet the SEC must be panicking to see all this, and that's why they have been silent. If you have all noticed, Brad Garlinghouse is more active on Twitter recently. It's almost impossible for him to mask his excitement. We also have this other interesting tweet from @CryptoCowboy that says, "Instant cross-border payments with zero pre-funding and no Nostro accounts in the near future. Most global payments will work like this. As we all know, we are now in the finals of this show, and XRP holders are right there at the front seat watching the scenes unfold. Another tweet from @RepTomEmmer says, bottom line, trying to offset the infrastructure package out of control spending on the backs of everyday crypto investors and innovators will do nothing but leave our country in the dust. Tom Emmer is a great supporter of Ripple and XRP. In fact, he once spoke with Brad Garlinghouse and said that XRP is truly the one. As we all can see from his tweet right here, if America doesn't implement the CBDCs and doesn't use XRP even with the true potential, it has shown time and time again their country will be left in the dust. They might fool you into thinking they are unbothered, but they know this too, and soon they will swoop in. We have yet another tweet here from B. Garlinghouse saying, I am encouraged by this morning's Senate banking hearing that members of Congress are looking to understand the nuances within crypto, a far cry from just a few years ago when some thought crypto is just a fad or mostly for criminals. He goes further to say that I am also encouraged by bipartisan efforts to provide much needed regulatory frameworks to an industry that is by and large looking to work with policymakers, not against them. As I have said before, all blockchains and cryptos should not be painted with a single broad brush. Like any technology of currency, crypto and blockchain can be used for good or bad. To discount the real use cases for billions globally, cross-border micropayments, tokenization, instant settlement, transparency, to name a few, because of the actions of a few is short-sighted. As Senator Warren has recognized, our current banking and payment system needs improvement. Crypto and blockchain were originally created to provide access to those who have consistently been left out, and many companies are using this tech for precisely that purpose. Now, I want you to remember that 99.9% of these coins will vanish away. But XRP will be here to stay and will be the heart of the new financial system. Now, as we wind up today's content, we have this tweet from @XRPIsOurFuture that says, I guess we will never know, @Vitalik Buterin, #XRP. He further shares content from Mineable.com that talks about Ripple and XRP. The content says that of all the crypto projects out there, Ripple is one that continues to turn heads. Yet, like all other digital assets, Ripple and XRP are often the source of confusion, mystery, and speculation. The content clears the picture by discussing 10 things that everyone gets wrong about Ripple and XRP. Starting with fact number 10, the content discusses that the Ripple project is actually older than Bitcoin. Well, I bet this is not something that many people knew, but the original implementation of Ripple was created by Ryan Fougere in 2004. That's, in fact, 4 years before the first Bitcoin was mined. Also, we are further told that in 2013, before Vitalik Buterin created Ethereum, he wrote an article for Bitcoin magazine praising the Ripple project. He stated, altogether, what Ripple has accomplished is impressive. With Ripple, we have a way of sending, receiving, and holding any currency, not just one specific cryptocurrency, in a decentralized way. He further stated that the fact that Bitcoin now has a strong and compelling alternative makes it clearer than ever that the idea of cryptocurrency as a whole is here to stay. A quick fun fact is that Vitalik Buterin was going to work for Ripple but had difficulty securing a visa to work in the United States. Can you imagine Ripple and Vitalik working hand in hand to create the next big cryptocurrency? I guess we'll never know what could have been. With that in mind, let's take a look at the price action of XRP. Now, we are looking at the weekly XRP USD chart. If the price maintains above 0.51 to 0.68 range, we expect the uptrend to continue. However, The 0.71 to 0.88 section is expected to create a new wave if it rises and breaks through an important volume profile section. If it declines from the 0.51 point, there is a possibility of entering the mid to long-term investment zone, so you need to trade cautiously. If we look at the weekly XRP BTC chart, and if it rises in the 653 Satoshi 2413 Satoshi section, which is the bottom box section, it is expected to turn into an upward trend. In particular, if the price is maintained above the 4264 Satoshi point, it is expected to create a new wave. That's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on any future content we'll produce for you guys. We're signing off now, but we will be sure to catch you in the next one.